To go from a med student to a doctor is not just a title change. It is culmination of sleepless nights, relentless studying, and immense personal growth. Hey Inspirers, welcome back or welcome to the most important day in my life. Today, I am no longer a med student but a doctor. So, today marks the day where I give my exam that is between me and my doctor's degree. After today, I am no longer a med student but a doctor, and you guys are going to be here to witness that proud moment of my life. Right now, it is about 5 o'clock, and I've woken up, gotten fresh. Now, my plan is to sit and revise for 2 hours so that I can remember everything on time during the exam, because obviously the exams are oral because I am in Russia. You guys are going to help me study and be there when I will pass the exam, because we get the results immediately. So let's go.
Energy drink because I really needed the energy in the morning. Finally done with all of the revision. I mean, not done obviously. I feel like I am not able to remember everything, but I think at least during the exam I'll be able to. So now I'm going to go quickly get ready to leave, because right now it is 7:30 and I might need a little extra time to get ready, because for exams I like to do a little bit of makeup so that I feel more confident and even look more confident, because your appearance does matter. And because it is an oral exam, obviously it does, because when you appear a little more put up, the teacher feels that you are more prepared for the exam. So let's go quickly get ready and then leave. So this is the dress that I'm going to wear. It is my father's shirt and just a plain black jeans.
Finally all ready. Now let's go, and I'll give you the whole outfit after going outside.
Lo and behold, the rain is here to shower us with the blessings that it has. Obviously, pun intended.
I am almost near the university, and as I go towards the university, I am feeling more nervous and more jittery, because it is a very big day and a very big exam. So let's go inside and see what is the situation in the university, and let's take a look at the exam hall. I have reached inside the university and I'm waiting in front of the exam hall. This is the exam hall, and I'm one of the first ones to be here. So let's ask some of my friends how they are feeling about the exam. कसं वाटतंय मग एक्झाम लास्ट? येस काय काहीतरी बोल. अजून
काय नाही
त्याला दे. कसं वाटतंय लास्ट एक्झाम? ह्याच्यानंतर आपण डॉक्टर.
पास झालं तर नक्की थोडंसं नर्वसनेस, अजून काय थोडंसं
सगळंच का?
सगळं आता पाण्याच्या ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर यू. exam.
done with the exam and now we are waiting for the result. They announced the result together for all the students. Like there are 30 students attending the exam at this time slot from 9 to 10:40, and they'll announce the result now. All the students have almost come outside, so let's hope for the best. Finally passed. So now we'll just go home quickly and then I'll give my parents the good news, because right now I don't have proper internet connection and I forgot my headphones. So I'll see you once I go home. Finally passed. I was so stressed after the exam because 2 of the subjects weren't very easy for me. I felt that the teachers are not going to pass me because every time when we give an exam, they tell us the result immediately after oral. But today we had to wait and the teachers weren't even giving any signs like if you're answering correct, if you're answering wrong, if it is incomplete, if it is not, no expression at all. So I was very scared. I knew I had passed my surgery and for gynecology, but therapy I was a little stressed because my question was a little difficult. So, but alas, pass. So now let's go home, celebrate, and I'll see you at the hostel. So I'm back home and now I'm going to tell my parents because I hadn't. Papa doctor! झाले exam pass!
Wow, doctor! Now you'll be represented. You'll be called Doctor Ayushi Sanats. Good. Nice. So, what's the gift you want now?
बघू घरी आल्यावर. Now let's call my mom and tell her the good news, because I had only told her that I'm done with my exam and I'm waiting for my results. And that was about like 9:30 and right now it is 12:40. मम्मी झाले पास.
झाला मला पार्टी पाहिजे मग आज.
ये इकडे. I have now gotten time to adjust to the fact that I am now a doctor and no more a med student. But the excitement in my body is so much that I'm surviving on 3 hours of sleep, but I'm not feeling sleepy. So now I'm just going to lay around for a while. I'm not going to do any studies today and enjoy my day for today, because it is a very special day in a person's life to be a doctor or graduate for that matter. So bye and I'll see you in a bit. Finally done with all of the work, all the editing, and now I am feeling so sleepy because I have been surviving on like 3 hours of sleep. But like the excitement in me was so much that I didn't realize that. Tell me, who in their right mind makes a cake after coming back from an exam and then edits a video, posts it immediately? So right now what I'm going to do is just lay down for a while and then again make dinner. It's the end of the day, and my whole body, with all of the remaining strength that it has, is now asking me to go sleep, because I have been surviving for 3 hours of sleep for the whole day, and I've given my exam, came back, made a cake, edited a video, posted it today itself, cooked dinner, which wasn't easy because because me and my friend, we made chicken, we made rotis, and we made rice. It takes a lot of effort to cook, you guys, and it is not easy. And we had our dinner, which was yummy, and then we cut our cake to celebrate ourselves. But we couldn't even have it like full-heartedly because we were so full from dinner, we couldn't eat. So now, let me tell you about today. Today I feel a lot of things. The first thing that I feel is gratitude towards my parents to be there for me when I needed them the most. Second, I feel very, very, very happy to have completed this journey of 6 years. I remember me being 17 and packing my whole life in 2 bags and coming here. I know I cried on the second or the third day in university itself because I felt that the whole days was so hectic. But here I am surviving on 3 hours of sleep. And the whole 6 years have been a roller coaster of emotions, physical health, mental health, and everything. And now I have been rewarded with the reward of for the efforts of all the 6 years plus the 2 years, the 11th and the 12th grade, because that too takes an effort to study for the NEET UG. Obviously, it is not easy even to qualify the exam. So, this day feels very real, but it is very difficult to digest the fact even now. So, I hope that you've liked this video and you've enjoyed the day with me as much as I did, because the only thing left for me to do in the university was to dance, and that too in front of the teachers. I know I couldn't record my whole proper reaction because I didn't know how to react. This is a very first time that I was so nervous for the exam. I have never felt so nervous. I've never been so jittery during the exam period, but today I don't know what feeling that was, but there was something, and it was very different even after coming back. Like the whole way, we were all final year students, so we are greeting each other. Any sentence we say, doctor, and then the whole sentence. It was very fun. So I hope that you've liked this video and enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next week with another fun-filled vlog. Until then, bye bye and keep inspiring.